Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the best VPN for your iPhone, and it is completely free. You don't have to like sign up with your email and everything. So let's start the video. I'm going to open my app store, and here I'm going to search VPN. Sorry, this is a VPN, and you will find a lot of VPN with good and great reviews like the Surfshark VPN and Turbo VPN, also other VPN as well. So the VPN I will be showing you is this one, VPN Super Ultimate Proxy. I'm going to open it, and you can see there are a lot of reviews and the rating is also good. So I'm going to install it and wait for it to install. This is a really good VPN. You don't need any sign up or any package to purchase the VPN. I'm going to click the open here, and after that you can see there are different options you can buy, but there is also an option called proceed with ads. Click that option so we can use this VPN for free. So here is the location up top. Click that option here. You can see different types of servers is free servers is available here. So I'm going to select one, US Miami, and it is connecting. So you can see it's already connected with the Miami server. So it is really easy and simple to use, and also it's free. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys.